I finally got a phone call from a rancher. I'm not saying I'm sitting around waiting for it. Wish it wouldn't happen, but he lost a cow up here in this meadow. I got my traps, stuff on my back. I'm gonna pack in here, find this cow, see if we can find a good spot, get some iron in the ground, see if we can get this problem solved for him. So I just spotted the cow. I'll flip you around and show you. It's raining pretty hard. I think I'm gonna hole up back here in the brush till the rain quits. See if something don't come popping out. I'll flip you around and show you the cow. Federal trapper came in here and skinned it, did his necropsy and confirmed wolf kill. So I'm gonna hole up back here in the brush, wait for it to quit raining a little bit, and then I'll walk around, figure out where I want to set these traps, and see if something don't come back in. The cow has been skinned for the necropsy. It's confirmed wolf kill. So, find a spot I can see this meadow good and hole up for a little bit. Well, I've howled a few times. I haven't got any answers. The rain's let up. Sometimes they don't come back to these kills. Sometimes they do. I'm gonna set gear anyway, but anyhow, I'm gonna get up and grab my bag and walk over to the kill and walk around this meadow and see if I can find some good spots for some sets. So I'll show you guys that. That bird, trees above me and around. Hopefully they come back in and get some good sets. I'll go see what we can find. Well, as you're gonna be able to tell, this cow's been dead for a few days now, but necropsy was done a couple days ago. So what they do is they skin the animal back and find bite marks and chewing. I can see where the birds have been eating on it a lot. Some chewing down here on the back legs and stuff. I don't know if I don't know how much I need to show of this because they'll ding me on my channel for graphic stuff, but it has been getting chewed on again. I don't know if that's by coyotes or the wolves have came back. It's definitely been since they opened it up. So, of course, a lot of bird cheese too. So I'm not going to show much of it because I'll get dinged for graphic material. But anyway, I'm going to walk around up in here and see if I can find some good pinch points. Or if they do come back, get trapped in the right area. You have to be 30 feet back from visible bait, which it's a good idea to get as far back as you can, but still be on their trails where they're coming in. Oh, that's what I'm gonna go see if I can find. See if I can find some sign. Here's some old bones that are chewed up. Anyway, I'm gonna walk around, see if I can find some good spots to make some sets. I got 4 traps with me, and I got 4 more back in my car. If I can find some good spots, I'll set 8. I probably won't get 8 set today. I'm only good for about 6. But anyway, that's what we're up to. I'm not the only one seeking refuge from the rain. This little squirrel right there. I'm tucked up and under this root wad. Kind of cute little guy. I'll flip it around and show you. He's right there. I think he's got a drier hole than I do. Anyway, started raining again. Sitting out here trying to figure out where I want to put a set in. I just hole up for a bit. Cows out there about 80 yards. Sit here and wait, see if it doesn't quit raining. He's got him a nice dry little hole. Cows. Oh, he's gonna cuss me now. I think I'll come back in here and actually make this a blind. Pretty good spot. Log there, goes up and over. Blind little shelter. Be a good spot. The rain will let up, we'll get set in some traps. It's getting late already. I did find the cow. I walked the bottom side of this meadow. Didn't get a chance to walk the top and started raining again, so. Anyway, he's back in his hole. So here a bit longer, see if it doesn't let up. Got really, really wet. I kept eyeballing this one tree here, and it's out in the weather. It's not raining yet, but I don't have any wax dirt, and it's not supposed to be freezing yet, but that tree right there, for some reason I just got a good feeling about it, and I can anchor right to it. Of course, anybody comes through here, it'll be standing there, but probably get shot. And then right right there. I'll put a set in. Yeah, that's what I'll do. So down here in the bottom of the meadow, down here, I'll set one trap there. I'll go right up above this dead cow is over here, set two traps and one in the top of the meadow. So less yapping, more trapping. I like to cover these pinch points. Kind of narrows down where they're going to go. There's a pretty good one down here, bottom of this meadow. So I'll go down there and set the first trap. Go up there, set two more to go to the top of the meadow. Set the fourth one. All right, we got the first one in. So it's kind of a go through. Past my bag there. This bush. I'll flip it around. So there's a trail right up in there. It comes through. I yearned this bush. The set is right there. Got dog turds right there. And just a little bit of lure on that stick. So like I say, it'd be a go through in between there. That dead cow way up there. Like I say, this is at the bottom end of the meadow. You know, look from this side. So there's a trail there too, but right through here, come next to this tree. So I put urine on this bush. The set's right there. Right there would have been a good spot, and I should actually stick a stick there, but hopefully they'll walk around enough. I don't want to block them in too much. So anyway, I got 3 more to do today, and I'm going to do them up past that cow, and then one at the top end of the meadow. I forgot to mention also, the set down there is on a drag, so I will have to come down here and look. So that set's right there by that bush. I will have to come down here and look, see if that trap's missing, and then follow the drag out. I wasn't able to hard fix it. I do like hard fixing them, but I don't know if that was a hunter or a bull bugle. It's heard a bugle, probably a hunter, I don't know. Let's get a couple more sets in. So I'm gonna hard fix this one to this tree. I'll punch in a hole set right here, and then I'm gonna put a line set either right there or right there, and I'll hook it to these trees, which I could be goofing myself because there is archery season going on. If they see a wolf caught here, they'll probably shoot it and take it. Still my trap, but what do? You know, if they take off across this meadow, it'll be hard to follow the drag. So cows over there, it's about 40 yards or better. Normally I don't set so close, but it's the only thing that's really catching my eye. So anyway, I gotta get to setting. I'm running out of light. So here's the second set, little hole set. Got some dog crap here and there, some urine, and a little bit of fire layer 7 down the hole. It's right next to this tree. And then just over here off of this path, I just threw some dog turds right there, and there's a set right there. Oh, daylight's fading. I got one more. I'm gonna try getting in up here at the top of the meadow. That'd be 4 sets. Oh, gotta go. We got 3 sets in. Hoping to get 4, but daylight's fading fast, so I'm gonna get out of here, come back in tomorrow. Now I know where it happened, where this meadow is. So, first 3 sets of the year. Well, we're back to trapping. Still got a cabin to build, but I got this call about that dead cow, so see if we can take care of both, get that cabin done. I'll check. I'll come up tomorrow, set more, and then I'll be up here Friday. Then I'll be up at the cabin for a couple days, hopefully getting some done on it, and then right back up here. Then I'll be bouncing back and forth. But it's a beautiful, beautiful meadow. Other than that dead cow down there. Beautiful country. I might go ahead and just post this, just the first 3 sets. We'll see. Hope all's well with you guys. And no, it's not open everywhere for trapping yet, but it's coming. So hope you guys are getting your gear all ready to go. And I'm starting to think about it anyway. It is that time of year. So this is in unit 15, and it's a chronic cattle depredation unit where they're having lots of wolf depredations on cattle. So it opens a little sooner than the rest. Everything else around me opens up next month. Anyway, so this unit, they pay a little bit more. The Foundation for Wildlife, what I'm talking about, opens up earlier and pays a little bit more because the ranchers are having such trouble keeping their cows alive. So that's where I'm at. Unit 15. I guess I'm not going to tell you where, but there's my trail. Anyway, I gotta hike up out of here. I should be doing some bow hunting, but I'm gonna wait till there's snow on the ground. I get a late December hunt. So that's my plan. Anywho, hope all's well. I'll catch you guys. I'll just keep posting as I'm setting, and hopefully before long I can show you a wolf. All pans out right. You guys take care.